Notion has just released a new feature called AI databases, and this feature allows you to integrate AI into your database items. Right here, we just have a blank Notion page, and I'm going to turn it into a table. I'm going to hit new database, and I'm just going to call this AI tasks. And just to show you guys as an example, when you hit plus right here, you'll now see these suggested property types, and they all have AI in front of them: AI summary, AI key info, and AI autofill. And they just get more and more powerful as you go down the list here. So let's go ahead and show you how this works. First, let's go ahead and create a task property here. Just for the sake of example, let's delete this tags property. Status, that looks good. Give this task a name of walk the dog. And let's say I had some sub items in here. So let's say it's like find leash, walk 3 miles, give dog treat. And then I have some other tasks on here like film video, or I have a task like feed cat. So those are my tasks. This one has some page content within it. These ones don't. And now what I'm going to do is I'm just going to add an AI summary. And by default, if I hit fill with AI, if there's content within your page, it's going to go ahead and create a summary of your page. So it's going to say to walk the dog, find the leash, walk 3 miles, and give the dog a treat. And it's going to say exactly what I need to do. Let's go ahead and hit fill with AI on these AI summaries. As you can see, we get a no content. I'm going to go ahead and delete this AI property, and we're going to add a new AI key info property. And we're going to talk about this one next. So AI key info allows you to extract specific information about this task. So I'm just going to say, what's the status? And we're going to hit save changes, turn on auto update, and we're going to refresh. And as you can see, that is what extract key info does. Let's ask AI to write how to walk a dog in 500 words. So that's going to start writing this big AI response in here. And with key info, what you can do is you can pull key info from here. Like, let's say I wanted to count the amount of times that this page says dog. Here, edit property, AI autofill, and then you can change this to how many times was the word dog used? And I can hit save changes. And now it's going to go ahead and pull from this page instead of pulling from this particular status here. So that's what extract info does. As you can see here, it leaves it blank, or it says 0 for these particular instances. If I added a new task and I refreshed it, again, it's going to leave it empty. If I add dog here, let's see what it does. I think it should say 1. Yep, it says 1. And we can pull insights from our pages in that way. So that's another useful feature that they just implemented. All right, let's go to the last one. This one is the most open-ended, and it's called AI autofill. We're going to add this, and this one just literally says custom, what to generate. And so you can actually change this back to key info or summary here. But if you're on custom, you're pretty much, the world's your oyster. You can type in whatever you want. Sometimes you may not get the best results. I'm just going to say, create a checklist of subtasks to complete for this task. And just see what it does. All right, let's just hit save changes and see if it can create some subtasks for me. All right, try on this view. Okay. So as you can see, it's created a subtask list, and this is a little bit overkill maybe, but I could name it subtasks, and we could change this little logo here to a check. And this could be useful. These are just AI suggested subtasks essentially. So it says walk the dog, get the gear, choose the right time and place, use positive reinforcement, train your dog, be alert and watchful of surroundings. Here I might add a new task, clean out computer. Let's just refresh that. Boom, it's going to give us a list of things that we can do to clean out our computer. So these are the new Notion features that I wanted to share with you today. AI summary, AI key info, AI autofill. If you did enjoy this video, I think you'll enjoy this video as well. So go ahead and check out this video next. All right, we'll see you.